In my last video, I installed a WeBoost cell phone booster, and now I'm going to show you how that turned out. Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill from Tiny House Prepper, and if you saw my last video, you saw that I installed a WeBoost cell phone booster. I showed the entire installation. If you're interested in seeing that, I will put a link right up here and in the description down below so you can see the installation. Now for this video, I'm going to be testing it and showing you how it works. Now if you saw the last video, you know that I installed the outside antenna right there on my shed. And then here in my office area by the desk, I have the booster right there mounted to the wall, and then the interior antenna is right here, sitting in the windowsill, right next to my desk. Now in the last video what we did when I was installing it, I talked a little bit about how important cell phone signal is to us in particular, because our cell phone hotspot is our only internet access, and because we're on YouTube and that's our business, I have to upload 4 videos a week. Plus I also do an awful lot of phone calls with customers and things. And with the cell phone service that we had, we only had 1 or maybe 2 bars. If I had a 20-minute video, it could easily take me an average of 4 hours for each video to upload. The best time we ever had was about 2 hours, and it could take 8 to 10 hours, but it usually averaged about 4 hours for a video. And when you do a 4-a-week, that takes a lot of your time. So anything that I can do to boost the cell signal and get a faster upload is really going to be critical for us in business. And also we use the cell phone hotspots so that we're mobile. When we travel, I can still upload videos, so that's why we're doing that. So I've got it all installed now, and WeBoost says to use an app called Open Signal, not only to be able to find the cell towers, which I did in the last video when I installed it, so I could point the antenna towards the tower, but they said to also use Open Signal to be able to test the strength of your signal. So let's go ahead and test it and see what it was without the booster, and then again with the booster. Okay, first we're testing it without the WeBoost, and notice right here that we only have 2 bars of signal. Now we're testing the signal, and this is testing the download speed. And it looks like we've got 23.5 megabytes per second for the download. Now it's testing the upload speed. 1.2 megabytes per second for the upload speed. That's actually pretty pathetic. So now we're going to go ahead and test it with the WeBoost on. Notice first of all that I now have full bars. I've never had that here before. Nowhere close. Now it's testing the download speed. Comes in at 36.7. That's fabulous. Now we're testing the upload speed. This is what's important for me to upload my videos. Holy moly, 22.2. That is fabulous. So what we see here now is that the download speed went from 23.5 megabytes per second to 36.7. That's a 55% increase. And then the upload speed went from 1.2 to 22.2. That's an 18.5 times greater speed. Okay, so it's now several days later, and I have experimented with uploading several videos, and I'm telling you what, this is a game changer. You know, I was saying earlier that it generally averaged about 4 hours to be able to upload a 20-minute video. And the first 20-minute video that I uploaded, which was actually the one about the installation, took a half hour. It blew my mind, from 4 hours to a half hour. And then the next day I uploaded another one that was a short, like 6 or 7 minute video, and something like that would usually take me about 45 minutes. It took 10 minutes. I am absolutely astounded, and I'm so excited to think that I'm going to be able to save so much time in uploading all of my videos. And also, of course, it's going to greatly increase my ability to take phone calls to people and not have to constantly say, could you repeat that? You just broke up. I'm going to have much smoother conversations now with people, and I'm very excited about that. So, WeBoost, this it came from WeBoost.com. That's where we bought it. And this model that we have is the Home 4G model, and it cost us $399. Now that, it seems like a lot of money, and I thought about it for a long time and just decided that we just needed to do this, and it had such astounding results. Quite frankly, I would pay twice that to get the kind of service that I'm getting now. I never imagined it could be that big, that great of a difference. Now, we are not selling this, we're not representing WeBoost, they didn't give us a commission or give us a free product or anything like that. We're just doing an honest review of a product that we purchased, and I can highly recommend it. Now, not everybody's going to get the same results. It depends on so many factors: where you're located, how far away you are from the tower, what mountains or hills are in between, all kinds of things. Buildings in between, you know, whether they have metal in them or not, or, you know, all kinds of stuff. Not everybody's going to get the same results. But our results were pretty astounding, so I'm very, very happy with it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this. I hope this is helpful to you. I know in our first video, many of you were saying that you had already been considering it, and so I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff, because we do reviews of products like this, as well as travel videos and many other things, all that good stuff. You be blessed. We'll talk to you later.